artificial intelligence just took a huge leap forward. DALL-E 3 is here. This latest text-to-image AI has me seriously impressed. Get ready, because creating visual art is about to get a whole lot easier and more creative. Let me highlight the big improvements that have me excited. First, DALL-E 3 finally has listening skills. It pays way closer attention to the details in your prompts. So if you emphasize a character having a curly mustache, you'll actually see that curly mustache in the final image. No more disjointed prompts and results. Second, the image quality has completely leveled up. Seriously, DALL-E 2, you've got competition. When we compare the classic basketball player dunking as a nebula prompt, DALL-E 3's version pops with vivid colors, sharp details, and true artistic flair. This AI might give artists a run for their money soon. And third, this is the real game changer, DALL-E 3 integrates smoothly with conversational AI like ChatGPT. Instead of typing rigid prompts, you can just describe images out loud, ask follow-up questions to refine details, and even build up consistent characters across multiple outputs. Let's have it generate a space-traveling hippo children's book. The possibilities are endless. Of course, we can't fully judge average performance until research papers come out. But the capabilities teased in the announcement have me imagining the creative frontiers this could unlock, especially for artistic projects with my daughter. DALL-E 3 won't imitate any living artist's style without permission either. My friends, I believe this canvas could paint an artistic revolution, empowering creators of all types. But you'll have to try it yourself to see the full impact. Let me know what marvels you end up creating with DALL-E 3 once you get access. The future of art is looking very, very bright.